Good morning, boys and girls. This week in reading, we've been talking about the characters of a story. And characters of a story can be people, animals, or objects. And this morning, we're going to be talking about the main character of a story. Now, the main character of a story is the character in the story who the story is mostly about. So the story focuses on that one character more than any other character. You remember the movie WALL-E? What characters were in WALL-E? There was WALL-E, the little robot. There was Eva. There was the captain of the ship, but who do you think would have been the main character of that story? What was the focus of that story? Who was the most important character? Probably WALL-E, right? Yeah. Remember the movie Moana? Really good movie. I remember Moana's grandma was in that movie. There was Moana, the girl, and then there was Maui. Remember Maui? Who would be the main character, do you think? That's right, Moana. She's the main character in the story. So now we're going to watch a story called The Little Red Hen. It's a really good book, and we're going to try to figure out who the main character in this story is. And so afterwards, when we meet together at 8:30, we're going to talk about that, and we're going to draw a picture of who we think the main character is. So in the link just below this link, go ahead and click on that and watch the story, and we'll see you at 8:30.